Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Long time no see. I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, let's talk about even though, even if, even when, and even so, when to use and where to use. Let's start with even though, guys. Here we go. Even though. So whenever you see a word even though, just think in your mind it's a definite outcome. Okay, the base form of even though is although or though. So the word though is completely informal, guys. You can use though within your friend circle. The more stronger form of although is even though. Okay, so we use this even though to add an emphasis to the sentence. Let's check. For instance, even though the interview went bad, John got the job. So the interview isn't good. Even though the interview isn't good, John got the job. He got the job. So we are emphasizing this sentence using even though. Next is even if. Even if is something imagining. Okay, you are imagining a situation. We use even if when we are talking about an unreal situation or when we don't consider something as a fact. For instance, even if he wins the lottery, he won't have enough money. So whether he wins a lottery or not, okay, he won't have enough money. So we are imagining the situation. The very next is even when. So we use this even when to talk about rare situation. Even when I talk slowly, she doesn't understand. Normally I don't talk slow, but I talk slowly, but she doesn't understand. Next is even so. We use this even so instead of but and however. She is loud and unfriendly. Even so, I like her. Let's insert but over here. She is loud and unfriendly, but I like her. So no matter what, you are liking her. Okay, so these are how to use and where to use these words like even though, even if, even when, and even so. Let's have a recap. Even though for definite outcome, guys. Even if for possible situation or like imagining. Okay, you are imagining something. Even when is for rarely, and even so instead of but and however. Now here let's check about how to use clean out, clean off, clean up, and clean away. So let's start with clean out. Okay, clean out is cleaning the inside space of something. For instance, clean out the oven, clean out the car. So if you are cleaning your car, especially inside, you shouldn't say clean the car. You should say clean out the car. It means you are cleaning inside the car. Next is clean off. Clean off is something you are cleaning the surface. For instance, clean off the counter, clean off the windshield. You are cleaning the surface of the product or a thing. Next is clean up. Clean up is you are cleaning the large space. City is large, we know that. So clean up the living room. Living room, it has large space. So clean up the living room. Next is clean away. Clean away is the actual thing that is causing the mess. Okay, so clean away the dishes. For instance, we could say the mud. Okay, mud splattered over, so clean away the mud. Okay, dirt causing mud. Use like actual thing that is causing mess. So if you do like this video, guys, please share, comment. and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.